Would you mind just lifting it up all the way? Okay, thank you. Now what's this one?
It's the practice of Shivambu. It's urine therapy.
It's urine therapy. You might want to ask about what that gold liquid is.
The what? What is that?
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll be looking at a video that I found on Bama Mike's channel. If you haven't seen Bama Mike's channel, go check it out. Link will be in the description. Oh hey look, another Moorish American right to travel win. No, I'm kidding. He gets arrested in all of his shoeless glory. Sadly though, the windows remain rolled down this entire interaction, so there was no rapid resanding of glass today.
I'm now seeing the tag.
Yeah.
It's just, I guess you can't have it on, you can't,
On my
the
plate.
bumper, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
let me run the tag, make sure everything's okay, but basically the way it's seated, it doesn't even look like there's a tag associated to the car.
Oh, okay.
So if you are gonna keep it like that, which technically you can't, you have to have it affixed to the bumper, but if you are, I'd prop it up. If you, at the very least, just take some tape or something,
Okay.
so that way, if somebody does get behind you, it doesn't look like it's just a vehicle with no tag.
Thank you.
Just give me a second and let me run the tag, everything's good, then
Sounds good.
let you go, okay? All right. Any 46 contact. Well, disregard. I think this is going to be a sovereign citizen tag of some sort. Hey, what kind of tag is that?
Yeah, it's a sovereign citizen. Yeah.
Please. Go ahead and give me your license.
I don't have
You don't have a license?
No, I just have
At all?
No, I have the proper right to travel. I exercise my right to travel for all my paperwork.
You know, with hair like that, I was starting to think the man was a Jedi, but then he landed my assumption for me when he attempted to waver off with a Jedi mind trick.
I don't have
You don't have a license?
No, I just have
At all?
No, I have the
Credits will do fine.
No, they
I
won't.
have the proper right to travel
Credits will do fine.
No, they won't.
for all my paperwork. Yeah.
All right.
You gonna accept that, or do you need paperwork?
Oh, no. That paperwork's not good for the Florida State statutes.
Yeah.
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 Okay, do me a favor. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Ma'am, do you have a license at all? You do have a driver's license. A valid
driving.
Florida driver's license. No, that's not how it works, but come on out. All right, do me a favor. Just turn around.
Yeah.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
I'm
Put your hands behind your back. Do not do this, okay?
just heading to the market. That's fine.
That's fine. We'll figure it out, okay? We're going to stand over here.
Do you mind closing my door?
Nope. All right. Okay, we're just going to hang out here, okay? What is your name? What is it?
Shivambu Day.
Is that your legal name?
Yes.
That's your given name on your birth certificate.
No, that's my surrounding.
Okay, what is your legal name on your birth certificate? Okay.
May you just do me a favor and read the
Nope.
license plate?
Nope. Nope. Because you don't want to identify yourself, then at that point I'll just have the jail identify you. Go ahead and sit down. Actually, he needs to be searched.
Sorry, India 4, I guess we know. So India 4.
Yeah.
Nothing
Sorry
on you?
about to. When I get to the jail, am I going to find out that you have any warrants or anything like that? Okay.
Most likely.
Yeah, for another traffic charge that I've had dropped.
Well,
I've dealt
it's
with
not
the
dropped
force
if you have a warrant for it.
Well, I went into the courtroom and they let me go, so that was a quite interesting part of it.
Oh. But then you just didn't show back up?
No, I was in the courtroom and I stated that I am the special power of attorney,
Okay.
and they asked if
Yeah, female.
Oh good, he spouted some incantations at the judge, proceeded to walk out of the courtroom and I would say assume that his troubles are over, but somehow I feel like he knew that that wasn't the end of it. And if any of you want to know exactly what that magic incantation is, you can check out a previous video of mine where Kayla explains to everyone all the things she did that absolutely did not work. But you know, write it down because this is good stuff.
And
How did you say your special appearance?
I said, on and for the record, this is a special appearance. I reserve all my rights without prejudice. I rebut all presumptions and assumptions. I seek remedy, relief, cure, and maintenance, for the blood flows and the flesh lives. Let the record reflect that the living God is my trust, my counsel, and my witness.
So unlucky I wasn't there. I know exactly the counter curse that could have spared her.
Yes.
Leave it with him, yeah, thank you. What is your name?
Caitlin.
You have your driver's license? A valid driver's license. So you would be able to take the car.
Yes.
Why don't you just drive the car? Instead of him driving the car. I'm saying, since you have a valid driver's license, whereas he doesn't, because it's a violation to... Does that make sense?
Yes, maybe.
That it doesn't work. Nope. No. There's no... I am a law enforcement officer for the state of Florida. I enforce Florida state statutes. I do not enforce, nor do I learn or know about sovereign citizen. That is not something that applies to us, okay? So, yeah. So if you... Nope. And that's the misunderstanding. No, there's no sovereign citizen laws that overtake Florida state statute. So, but, I mean, they should probably teach you guys that. Yeah. Do you have your driver's license? Thank you. Who makes these, anyways? Yeah.
We don't know.
Nope. I am aware of all the Florida state statutes. Florida state statutes do not, go ahead. You should probably contact FDLE and tell them that you want to educate people on sovereign citizens or add it into the Florida state statutes. But until it's added in, then I don't recognize or enforce or not enforce Florida state statute laws when it comes to a sovereign citizen. Florida state statutes? Thank you, ma'am. The what? No. Florida Department of Law Enforcement? They're the... FDLE, Florida Department of Law Enforcement. They're the ones that create all the trainings for law enforcement officers. Yeah.
So what's the liquid stuff? Can I ask you that? In your mason jars?
This is a banana, coffee, sunflower butter.
And is there anything underneath that towel, if you don't mind me asking? Just more?
Yeah. This is Shivambu. It's
Would you mind just lifting it up all the way? Okay, thank you. Now what's this one?
It's the practice of Shivambu. It's urine therapy.
It's urine therapy.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta ask.
Mm-hmm.
Is that someone's urine?
Yes, it's mine.
And what do you do with that, if you don't mind me asking?
Drink it.
One thing that did catch my eye is watch how she tracks the officer as he walks away, and you even see a sad little eye droop where she realizes she's a freak.
Drink it.
So it's like recycling.
It's good for fertilizer.
Not inside your own. Hey,
To get the registration.
you might want to ask about what that gold liquid is.
The what? What is that? And what is that? What is that? Right there, in that jar. Yes.
Jar of liquid? What jar of liquid? Oh, this gigantic jar of golden liquid right here? Oh, that jar. I guess she was hoping the officer was really interested in that sunflower butter mush that she's got there.
Okay.
It's Shivambu. It's urine therapy.
He knew that, didn't he? Did you tell him that?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, that's. God, no, this is turning my stomach.
Signal 29 Northwest 23rd Street, Northwest 13th Street.
Banana coffee is.
Always advising there's a Bravo Mike to check the Bravo Foxtrot that's at that location. Just occurred. No signals there are seen. Suspect walked off and is now near Coffee Culture. The Bravo Mike, 35 years old, medium build, not seen wearing a black shirt and orange pants.
Yeah, hers. It's some type of therapy.
Ah, Mr. Manis. Yeah, you're right. You do have a warrant.
What's the warrant for?
Same thing you're getting arrested for today.
What is it?
Failure to appear. You did not show up to court. Well, you asked me what it was for, and I'm telling you.
Wait a minute. You mean to tell me that that sovereign citizen incantation class that he took on TikTok was garbage? Bro, I thought you just walked out of court and they just let you go. But in reality, that's not the question we all want answered. The question we all want answered is, you think he can taste her pee when he kisses her? Oh, come on. If you weren't wondering before, you are now.
Have you ever gotten pulled over with him before? Where he's done this? This does not work. That incident does not work. All right, that, okay? It's an unregistered vehicle. Out of the kindness of my heart, I am not going to tow it. I'm just going to leave it where it's at. If I see it back out, then now you know it's an unregistered vehicle. You are driving an unregistered vehicle. That is against the law. I don't care what sovereign citizen rules are thrown out. That does not apply in this situation. If you want to use it somewhere else, you can. Not in Gainesville, Florida, where I enforce Florida state statute. Okay? Does that make sense? Perfect.
Thank you.
Here's your driver's license. You have a valid driver's license. Get the car registered and to drive legally. Or does that make sense? Okay. Alright. Okay. You cannot drive this vehicle, okay? But I'm sure you're not going to because you're going to go sell stones, crystals.
It's such a pretty boat. Trip.
Yeah.
What happens with this car? Can you just leave it here and not drive it?
I'm going to assume that you're going to go get it properly registered before it gets moved. Okay? He goes to jail.
Alright. Registering it. How do you...
Same way you get your driver's license through the state of Florida. Okay? How did you get your Massachusetts driver's license?
I'm from Massachusetts.
Yeah, but how did you get it in Massachusetts? The DMV? Yeah. Same way. It's going to be the same type of company. You register your driver, you register the vehicle. He'll probably have to do it. Same thing. They operate all of the driver's license, vehicles, any kind of license that you want. That sovereign citizen tag does not. Okay?
So I just want to make sure that we're on the same page.
Yeah. You cannot drive it until it's registered. It is not street legal. Okay? Thank you.
And thankfully, in this case, we have some officers that aren't afraid to enforce the laws of the road and tow these uninsured detriments to society. People may think that these drivers don't cause anyone any harm, but one accident with one of these people can cause you a huge amount of financial burden. That's gonna be it for me today. If you made it this far and you haven't, think about hitting the like button, maybe subscribing, or even becoming one of my fantastic patrons or members. If you wanna see a longer, uncut version of this same video, then look for the link below to the original video on Bama Mike's channel, and I would appreciate it if you went over to Bama Mike's channel and gave it a view. Thanks very much and have a great night.